Hey guys, it's Andy again, back with another video. But today we're going to take a trip to Best Buy. So if you're new to my channel, I do gameplay tutorials and also product reviews. If you like what you see, comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe. Also, I'll end up having links in the description in case you're curious about the item that I have in the video. Thanks! Hey guys, so we're at Best Buy right now. Let's see what kind of things I end up getting. Hey guys, so now we're back from Best Buy. So I'll end up showing you the items that I end up getting. I got a cam link for my camera, so I could end up starting a stream. And from the brand Elgato. I end up getting another Philips Hue light. It's the portable lamp. It's rechargeable and you connect it to the wall, so that's pretty cool. And third of all, well, there's more than three. I end up getting several packs of Pokemon cards. So with these, I'll end up opening them over a period of time, so I can end up getting used to it. I just gotta figure out a setup so I could end up doing it. So I could either do it overhead or I'm not 100% sure yet, but it'll come in a later video. I got several bunch, so it's gonna be a couple of different videos. So I went all out because at the same time I used to collect Pokemon cards, so it's a thing for me. Hey guys, so today we're gonna end up unboxing the Philips Hue Go portable light. It's the new version. It works with Alexa and also Google Assistant. The brightness is 520 lumens. So I've already cut the plastic on the box so I can make it easier so I could be able to open it. Oh, nice. So inside the box, it displays how long the battery life will last with certain colors, and at the same time if it's dimmed and basically different white. Let's see if you could be able to zoom, and that's pretty much it. Okay. So in case you couldn't actually tell, you could pause the video and check it out for yourself. Okay. And this is pretty much the light. Nice. Let's take it out the plastic. Yeah, nice. So on the bottom they have this little piece. So I'm guessing so you could be able to stand it up. Or kind of to the side. Okay. And that's all because of the little plastic right here. And anything else? Nice. So what comes in the box is a quick start guide, some information, little packets, and within this box is actually the power cable, so you could be able to charge your light. Okay. I just didn't want to tear up the box. So pretty much power, and this is the connection, and I'm guessing the connection goes right here. Okay. Nice. So at least on the bottom you could straight out tell that at least it's not stepping on the actual cable. So that's pretty good to see. Alright, so just give me a moment. I'll charge it up a little bit, then we'll connect it to the app. So I'm back now. So after messing around with the Go Light for a little while, I kind of semi-figured out basically the commands. You just have to press this little button on the back. You press hold for a second and you turn it on. And so you can be able to skip through the colors. You just have to click it a single time and you're able to scroll through the different colors that it ends up having. Then if you really want to fine tune it, you double click it, but you hold it, and it kind of scrolls through the different colors. So you could end up kind of having like a manual feature of actually changing the colors when you have it on the go without actually using the app. So, and hold, and as you could tell, it's kind of going through different colors. Okay, and the great thing is, like I said, it connects to Alexa, so you could be like, Alexa, turn off Go Light. Alexa, turn off Go Light.
Okay.
She sometimes doesn't want to listen to me, but it's fine. Alexa, turn on Go Light.
Okay.
Like that. That works. And basically, after you connect it to the app, you just go to Go Light, and you're able to select your different colors if you want to do it through the app. And it's pretty bright. Do it like that. So there you go. And let's just make it purple to match the background. So the good thing is, after you charge it up with the cable, you're able to disconnect it and take it on the go without actually having it on the cable. But the time that it stays powered on, it varies on the color and how bright you have it. So pretty simple and pretty self-explanatory. So yeah. So that pretty much ends this video. I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe. And don't forget to comment down below if you like what you see. Also, for the other items, I'll end up doing different videos, so I could end up unboxing them. And I'll show you the little stuff that I end up getting. So like I said before, if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. And don't forget to comment down below. Bye.